At a press conference held on the 29th of December 2022, the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent Pala, has informed that the Pradesh Election Committee has cleared 40 seats while the rest 20 will be announced soon. Out of the total candidates to contest for the 2023 State Legislative Assembly elections, 8 are women and 10 are former MLAs, informed the MPCC President. He further added that currently 26 names were cleared from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills and 14 from the Garo Hills, the names of which will be declared by the All India Congress Committee.
40 seats, like we told you before, that we have cleared 40 candidates, and the rest 20 we will have a meeting after a week. Out of these 40, 36 in Khasi and Jaintia Hills, we have cleared 26. And 24 in Garo Hills, we have cleared 14. So 10 from Garo Hills and 10 from Khasi and Jaintia Hills. We will have a second sitting. This is what we want. Out of these 40 candidates, happy to inform you and proud to inform you, 8 will be the ladies. I think none of the parties will have so many ladies. 8 out of 40 means 20% are for the ladies. And proud to say that some ladies are highly qualified and very hardworking also in the society, including Madam Devara, which is here only. And very nice this time because maybe I am an engineer, so many engineers on the fray, almost 6 engineers on contesting this time. And we have almost masters have done, almost 8 of them have done their masters in this, and PhD and doctor. But unfortunately only one MD doctor who is with us fighting the elections. Engineers are more this time and doctors less this time. So these are the things which we have decided today.
The State Congress President also expressed confidence at the fact that the party is aiming at an absolute majority and is therefore not looking for any pre-poll alliance.
And the Congress this time is Congress for a change with new faces. Out of 40 candidates which we have, only 10 candidates who were MLA before, like Basta Justin Baroni and Kong Devara and others who are ex-MLAs. The rest 30 are fresh, including 6 MDCs. So if you look in that angle, we position our candidate with educated, reliable, and all others, and very well equipped our candidates. And most of them have a clean image. All are fresh and have a clean image. So we appeal to the voters of Meghalaya and to the people of Meghalaya through you that to give us a chance. A chance means we need an absolute majority. So the absolute majority can give us a stability. We can protect our people. If you see, be it in the border, be it to the Christians, be it the law and order, how much this government has failed. The only way is that to make a change, and the Congress is the only alternative if you look for the past 50 years which we have got as statehood. These are few of the points which we want to highlight to you.